Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by opening display settings directly from the desktop. Right-click and pick Display Settings so you land in the right panel immediately. Once done, make sure Windows shows the settings header and that you can see monitors labeled 1 and 2. This confirms detection. You're beginning with detection and context because changes depend on which monitor is active, so confirm which screen is highlighted before adjusting resolution or scale. Now select the monitor you want to change and adjust scale to 100%, 125%, or 150% depending on readability. This enlarges text and UI without changing pixels. Next, pick Display Resolution. Default recommended matches native panel pixels for clarity. Lower values may blur. If you need smoother motion, click Advanced Display Settings and change the refresh rate. Higher rates improve fluidity. To finish, apply settings and watch for the Keep Changes prompt. Click Keep to confirm or revert to return if something looks wrong. Windows times out after 15 seconds. If you need non-standard sizes, open Display Adapter properties to set custom resolutions. If the screen goes blank or looks wrong, restart into safe mode or update, and if needed, roll back the GPU driver to restore a working configuration. This fixes most driver-induced display failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.